Despite political noise and disinformation, the Armed Forces of the Philippines continues to earn high marks from the public. In the latest Octa Research Survey, the AFP remains one of the most trusted and best performing government institutions with strong support for its role in defending the West Philippine Sea. Backed by solid numbers and public sentiment, the military appears to be holding the line amidst growing challenges. Our Patrick De Jesus tells us more.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP, remains one of the most trusted and best-performing government agencies. This is based on the Octa Research Third Quarter 2025 Tugon ng Masa Survey with 1,200 respondents. 73% of respondents are satisfied with the AFP's performance, which earned a net rating of plus 68, while its net trust rating stands at plus 66. Majority of Filipinos also support the AFP's role in protecting the West Philippine Sea. 83% of respondents agree that the Philippines must defend its rights over the West Philippine Sea. 78% believe in the AFP's capability to defend the country from external threats, while 80% support the security partnership with the United States and other like-minded nations. The survey was conducted in the last week of September and was commissioned by the AFP. At the same time, the military continues to combat fake news. This includes a false claim that President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. allegedly threatened to suspend the pensions of soldiers. The AFP denied this.
Tuloy-tuloy po ang suporta ng administrasyon sa ating mga tropa, kasama na ang pagprotekta sa kanilang mga benepisyo at pensyon.
However, the AFP reminded retired soldiers to be responsible when expressing their opinions. The AFP earlier said it is studying possible reforms to the pension system amid the spread of fake news by some retired soldiers, some of whom have even called for an uprising against the government.
Ayon sa Presidential Decree 1638, pwede lang itong mawala kung may final conviction sa mga kasong gaya ng rebellion, sedisyon, kudeta o mga krimeng may moral turpitude. Pensions are a reward for faithful service, not a permanent entitlement regardless of conduct.
Meanwhile, the Philippine Army confirmed that Cavite Representative Kiko Barsaga has been officially delisted as a reservist due to several grave offenses. This includes social media posts showing the lawmaker wearing a military uniform and encouraging reservists as well as police and soldiers to join protests.
We respect yung kanilang rights for yung kanilang freedom of expression, but kumbaga, iba kasi yung usapan pagdating doon sa kapag ikaw ay ginamit mo na yung uniform mo, that is violation na ng existing SOP ng AFP.
Because of this, Barsaga can no longer be commissioned as a regular member or return as part of the AFP Reserve Force. He is also no longer allowed to wear a military uniform in accordance with applicable laws. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.